Guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Friday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. So guys, today Ubiki has sent the second letters. For those who don't know what's going on Tuesday, Ubiki sent the first letters. Utaneka received 7 letters. And the 4 letters, they were so negative, guys. They were from Liema, Didi, Tracy, and Dawn. I'm not sure between Ilano and Dawn. So today Utandeka received 5 letters from the second letters, guys. The first letter, it was from Millie, and this is what he has to say. We started this thing together. I'm loving that no one is part of it, and let's keep that way. I love you and I cannot wait to see what's out there for us. It's the beauty of unknown. Love it. I share to Tandeka. Although everyone may see you as a monster, I see your loving and your caring side. I might be the only one, but I will stand by it. Someone to Tandeka. I wish I could see your sweeter side more. I know it's there. Be you. Ilano to Tandeka. You're such a smart person. Keep teaching. Some of us, we are learning as raw as it is. Another person, you are truly amazing. It's just that you're such a bee, This person, I feel like, is from Tracy, guys. So these are the letters Utandeka should receive. Utandeka did not respond to Liema, to Didi, and Tracy, guys. One thing about Tandeka, I feel like Utandeka understand the game. She only wrote a letter to Meli, guys. Yeah, I think she only wrote 1 letter to Meli, guys. So we're gonna go to Didi, guys. Didi has received 4 letters. Even on Tuesday, she has received 4 letters. You still remember the letter she wrote to Q, guys, and people were not happy, saying, "Aibo, Didi, what do you mean you were insulting Q, guys?" So today the letter Didi should receive, firstly, it was from Tracy. My Didi, you are such a special and truly the best. You are a strong woman. I love the fact that you still smile after everything you've been through. Even though you are younger than me, I admire your strengths, because when I was your age, I was so stuck, depressed, and sad. Continue being you and never change, because you are such an inspiration to many young girls out there, and I hope you heal from whatever you are going through. Tracy to Didi, obviously the Banda girls, what do you expect? Liema to Didi. Didi, smart young woman, you are the youngest in the house. Yes, you're present, it is a fault. You are strong, trust me, you are on the right track. Your future is bright. I would rather be your guardian friend, take care of you. You remind me of myself, and I'm happy to have called you my friend. That is a beautiful thing from Liema to Didi. Another person wrote to Didi. Didi, my delusional sister, although you are crazy naughty, I love our bond. Stay the same even outside the house. Much love. I think this one is from King Wanda. The last letter is from Ilano to Didi. Didi, Miss Pink, amazing solo. You are more. Good things are coming your way. Stay blessed. These are the letters Didi received, guys. So we're gonna go to Liema. So no letter from Tandeka to Didi, guys. Tandeka did not respond to Didi. So these are the letters Liema should receive. Someone to Liema. Honestly, I never thought we will get along, but we do. I love that for us. You are truly a good person with a good heart. I don't have a woman in my circle, as I have been has a lot of time. I would have thought I will find a friend in the Big Brother's house. I can wait until we link up outside. I love you, I think this one is from Q. I'm not sure. Somebody did not claim this letter. Okay, this one is from Q, guys. Q to Liema. Hey, Liema. Quick one. I'm your type. Can I shoot my shot? Wow, cute. He wants Liam. I love this for Liema, guys. Obviously she will stop focusing on Melly. One thing about Liema, she's a drama queen. So another person wrote to Liema, you are not the bad. You are just a mean. Keep revealing yourself. Wow, who's this? I don't know. King Wanda to Liema. Liema, I don't think I have a public thank you for standing up for me in my times of weakness. Not only once, but twice. back when I was in primary, no one did that. My dad had to come from school the next day. I hope in real world this is who you are. There are so many people who need someone in their corner to speak up when they cannot talk, to stand up for them when they cannot get up. So I love you, Liema. So Liema, she has received 4 letters from King Wanda and Q. The other 2 letters we don't know they are from, guys. So these are the letters from Thandeka, Didi, and Liema, guys. I haven't seen the letters from Tracy, guys. One thing I love about Thandeka, guys, she did not respond to those letters, guys. I hope Tracy, Thandeka, and Didi and Liema, they put their everything aside and they try to have a relationship, guys. Their beef is no longer giving, guys. It's kind of boring anymore. I'm no longer enjoying it. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.